So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper. And friend, today I'm going to show you how you can easily add text box in your Google Doc. So friend, here you can see this is the sample text box which I have created over here, and in this tutorial I will show you step by step to add text box in your Google Doc. So friend, keep watching. So here you will learn very advanced method to do these things. So friend, now we are going to see step by step all the things how we can add it. Okay, so here I'm going to simply remove these things and we are going to create new Google Doc. Okay, so what you will do, simply you can type .google doc. Okay, so friend, you can see this is my Google Doc software, and here I'm going to show you step by step all the things. So friend, here I'm already logged in with my Gmail account, and here we are going to create a blank document. So friend, if you want to add text box into your Google Doc, you first click on this insert tab. Okay, so here friend, you will get this drawing option. You simply hover the mouse and then click on new. So what happened, your drawing pop-up box will open, and here you will see this option text box. Okay, you simply click on that and you can easily draw the area which you want. Okay, so here we are going to put these things. You can easily rotate and add all the things. So here we are going to first, this is my sample text, we are going to copy it and then we are going to paste all the things. Okay, so friend, here you can see this is my text box. Okay, and here we want to put this text box into our Google Doc document. Okay, you simply click on this save and close. So wherever you do this, then automatically this text box will here. Okay, so what is the advantages of this text box? So friend, here you will see this option. You can easily move this text box from one place to another place very easily. Okay, so if you are doing the formatting things, then you can do these things, and whenever you double click, then you can easily add it all the things. Okay, very easily. For example, we are going to do something change. Okay, you simply select this text and now here we are going to see these things. You can easily change the font and all. For example, I have changed this font, and here you will get this option. You can also do the formatting things like bold, italic, underline. You can do that, and also you can change the color of the font. Okay, and here we are going to click on this save and close. So what happened, that text box is added these things very easily. So friend, by this way you can easily add text box into your Google Docs. So friend, if you like this video, then click on this like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.